Morning. Hey guys, this is Alan from the Barely Dadding YouTube channel. And remember my table? Yeah, that we put together in the other video? Today we're going to put the new chairs together, stools that we bought for this table. I actually made this one a long time ago at my workshop. And then I didn't have another one, so we have a just regular step stool. But we're gonna change that today. The wifey wants new nice aesthetic stools to match this table. So we're gonna put them together today. Super small, but see how it works. The legs, the stool part you sit on, the seat, and some screws. But there's no directions in here. It's okay. Barely Daddy don't need no directions. Hey, they got an Allen wrench. A barely daddying Allen wrench. Get it? Because my name's Allen wrench. So dorky. You know, Allen wrenches are kind of hard to like finger tighten. I think they sell an adapter you can stick on one of these, and then you can hook it up to your drill. And it'll go. I gotta look into that. If I find the link for that, I'll put it on this video. All done. You know, people actually get paid to make furniture like this, like to put it to assemble this kind of stuff, and they get paid like 18 bucks an hour. That's crazy. It's a good job, man. You should go and look into that if you want to do that. Overall, this thing was so easy to put together, like 5 minutes, so easy. I think they ran like almost $50 one though, because I guess with the tariffs and stuff now, so it got a little bit more expensive. But on Amazon, aesthetic wise, this is the only one that matched my wife's preference, to have it white on the top and some wood on the bottom. But it's kind of cheap material if you tell me. That's plywood. See how they shaped the plywood into a leg? I hope it lasts for a long time. So we'll test this out and see how this goes. But when I sit on it, it's pretty strong. I weigh about 180 pounds. Yeah, but this is for the kids' stools anyway at the table. So I think it'll work out good. Then we gotta add the little feet to it afterwards. This little foam so it doesn't scratch the floor, especially because it's ply. Especially because it's ply and it's like rough right here, or it could splinter. So you really want to put this on top. There we go. Hopefully the kids like the new setup. I know the wife will. Happy wife is happy life. So I like that setup. The two tables like that. Because it feels like I'm in Japan eating at a 7-Eleven counter. But when I need to, I can just move the table. And now we can fit like 8 people on here if we need to. 2 on each side, like a square. Or just 4 people in the middle. So that's really good why we did this. Bought 2 long desk tables so we can put them together when we need to, like do a project or do like a yakiniku hot pot in the middle, and then you make a square. That's your barely daddying tip. See you next time.